This is some non-sudsing. Let me repeat that. Non or not sudsing algae treatment. I'll show you. I should have said non-foaming. So right there, after quick acting, non-foaming. So this is what they mean by non-foaming, I guess. I don't know. Why do they do that? I don't know. Maybe it's low foaming, but it's not non-foaming. By the way, before a representative comes on and makes a comment, that was 1 ounce. 1 ounce maintenance dosage. The pool is about 15,000 to 20,000 gallons. Just so we can deal with some facts.